Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can check your 2024 Snap Recap on Snapchat. So when you first log into Snapchat, this is the UI you will be presented with. If you want to check your Snap Recap, it'll be on the bottom left icon here on the gallery section, and it'll be at a place called Memories, right? And on the Memories section here, you'll see that right now I don't have any Snap Recap because it's already January and I think the Snap Recap section has ended. Although, usually if you do have Snap Recap, it'll appear here. Right now, you'll see that I just have memories from this week and also a flashback, but it should be a Snap Recap instead. Again, you just have to go back from the home screen here, and on the gallery section on the top left, you'll see, or on the bottom left, you can go on the thing here. There you go. Now it's on memories. On memories, and it'll be on the home section, and it'll just say Snap Recap.